National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, north central Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, south central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 4 p.m. At 3:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Powley, or 8 miles northeast of Westchester, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Camden, Westchester, Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Bensalem, Evesham, Mount Laurel, Norristown, Chester, Voronezh, Lindenwold, Phoenixville, Lansdale, West Norton, East Norton, Belmore, Yutton, Westtown, and Woodbury. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 3 and 4. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 311 and 354. Northeast extension between mile markers 21 and 30. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 6 and 38. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 351. Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 21 and 41. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1. Interstate 676 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 4. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 19. The following